Welcome to another riveting episode on the IB Myositis video channel. In this episode, I'm going to be explaining some methods for mounting grab bars to a wall without tearing the wall apart to install backer boards. Knowing the shortcom will drastically reduce the cost of installing grab bars in your bathroom, bedroom, or anywhere you want to place one. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so during a previous episode, and make sure to hit the like button to show your support of this type of information that I extend to my IBM friends. I'm sure there are many people with inclusion body myositis, or IBM, that know that grab bars can be a useful device for balancing themselves or getting up from a seated position on a toilet during the first and second stages of this skeletal muscle disease. Purchasing grab bars are easy, but sometimes getting them installed is a little bit more difficult, especially if the wall structure support behind the sheetrock walls are not currently there to secure the grab bar. I'm going to quickly illustrate two ways to install grab bars. If you are into a large modification to the room you want to add your grab bars to, the removal and replacement of sheetrock to install some solid mounting points between the wall studs won't be much of an issue other than determining what height they need to be installed. First, let me explain that I don't trust any type of sheetrock anchors alone to secure a grab bar that might have to support the majority of my body weight. Sooner or later, usually sooner, any grab bar installed just to the sheetrock using a commercial type of sheetrock anchor designed to maybe hold the weight of a picture on a wall will not work over a long time to support your body weight. When a grab bar gets torn off the wall, usually the person grabbing the bar will go down with it. Grab bars must be secured to the wall structure underneath the sheetrock or tile, either directly or indirectly. I will explain an easier way to install grab bars without the trouble and expense of removing, replacing, and repainting the current wall surface just to install some grab bars. So grab your son, daughter, neighbor, or friend who can measure and cut a board, and let's get working on installing your next grab bar. Most building centers will stock grab bars in 18, 24, 36, and 42-inch lengths. These are usually the standard stainless steel type, although other materials and finishes are usually available from the same store through a special order. Your first task will be to determine what length is required in the location you want a grab bar installed. Your next step is determining the height at which your grab bar should be located. My recommendation is to have someone measure the distance from the floor to the palm of your hand when you are standing upright, then add an inch to that measurement. Normally, grab bars that are fastened to the wall near the toilet are placed at a height of 33 to 36 inches, although I recommend you install it as detailed by your personal measurement. This is usually near the height that will feel the most comfortable using for you. Measure the flange width on the grab bar and plan the width of the hardwood board to be at least 1 inch wider. The length of your hardwood board needs to be longer than your grab bar, but should be determined by locating the wall studs behind the sheetrock with a stud finder. Round over the outside edges of the board. Use the measurement determined by using your stud finder to locate the holes to be drilled in the board. I countersunk the holes in my hardwood board so that I could hide the holes with some wooden buttons after installing it to the wall. Installing a grab bar does not necessarily mean a large construction project and can be accomplished without tearing existing tile or wallboard down. Invite a friend over for a planning session, watch this video again with him or her, and take your tape measure to where you want a grab bar installed to ensure your safety in that area. I hope this video has helped you visualize how you can more safely live in your current dwelling with IBM. Again, if you like this type of information, please press the thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe if you have not already done so when watching a previous episode. Now be safe, my IBM friends.